that is blueberry and lemon cheesecake. So the first thing that you do when you make a baked cheesecake is you have to make a base using biscuit. You can use any biscuit, but today I'm using Scotch finger biscuit. So firstly we'll have to crush them up, and then we'll mix it up with the butter. So I'll show you. So I'm using 250 grams of biscuit. You can use a food processor to crush that up. Added the crushed biscuit into my mixing bowl, and to my mixing bowl I'm going to add 100 grams of melted butter. Grease the side of the pan that's for later on when I pour the mixture in here. Now I'm not greasing the base, as the biscuit mixture already has butter in it, so that won't stick to the bottom. So the texture of this is quite crumbly. I will be pressing this down so that it gets like assembles together. You can use a cup to press this down as well. You have to apply a bit of pressure so that the base is set together. You have to put this in the fridge for about 20 minutes to half an hour so that it can get hard before you add your mixture. So after I put this in the fridge, I will show you how to make our cream cheese mixture. So I have put the base in the fridge for it to cool and set, and then I will make the cream cheese batter. So before I start doing the batter, I will preheat my oven to 150 degrees Celsius. So for this recipe, I am using Philadelphia cream cheese, and I'm using 2 packets of this, which is it comes in 250 grams packet, so I'm using 2 of these. A good idea to use the cream cheese at room temperature. So you need to take out your cream cheese and leave it on your bench, get a bit soft, so it's easier for you to mix it. So the reason why I'm using this cream cheese, it has a very good taste. However, you can use any cream cheese that's available. So you have to cut it up a little bit so that it's easier for you to mix it. And to this, I'm adding 160 grams of sugar. So now we have to mix this together. Now we will add 3 eggs, and we'll do that one at a time. And after you add one egg, then you have to mix it well before adding another one. Okay, so we will be adding the rind of one lemon and a juice of the lemon as well. So I'm going to take the rind out. Okay, so now I will be adding the juice of one lemon to our mixture and the rind of one lemon. And I will be using 250 grams of sour cream in here. This is 500 grams pot, but I will be using half of it. So now I will be mixing this together. However, please do not mix it too much. Just mix it to combine it. So now I will add my final ingredient, which is the blueberries. So I have taken about 200 grams of blueberries, which I will add and just fold it into the mixture. I don't have to mix it with a mixer, so I'll just fold that in. Now it's time to take our base and I'll show you what it looks like. So our base is ready. As you can see, it is set. So I will be adding the cream cheese mixture in our cake tin. So now it's ready to go in the oven, and we will be baking this for 1 hour and 15 minutes at 150 degrees Celsius. Our cooked cake is cooked now, and when we remove it from the oven, it should still be a little bit wobbly in the middle, because cheesecake, you don't overcook it. So we have to leave it out until it has cooled down, and then we have to leave it in the fridge overnight. It's best served the next day. If you haven't watched my video where I've made a fruitcake, so you can watch it by clicking on the link in the description bar. So this is the end result of my cheesecake, and thank you very much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel so you can get more exciting recipes that I will share with you.